Hey Benny, I was going to show you really quick how it goes. It's so easy. Okay, so, it's the parts that I have that are hard are trying to get the audio right or trying to be able to talk when I'm playing music or trying to play Bella's videos. Those are the things, but if you were going to do it, let me just show you right quick how it would work. It's so easy. Okay, so what I do, whoops. Hold on. It's easy for the average person. I don't know if you know, but I have like brain issues. But anyway, okay. So I would go here and I put Restream up there. I put it in my thing. So I just pull it up and you see that's the pulsar thing that I'm talking about. If I wanted to show myself on camera, there's the camera button right down there. I would just go like that, camera, and then you can see there I am. Hey. But I don't like to do that, so I go back to that. Okay, so that's how you get the Restream going. And then that would be what would grab you. And then if you wanted to add a page because you wanted to talk about somebody's show because they were lying pretty bad, you would just go like this. You would go up here and you would find the page. In this case, let's say it was, me. I've got it saved. But you would just pull up the page like that. Right? And in this case, I'm just playing a video, but you would let the person talk and say whatever they say. And then you would say, blah, blah, blah. And then you would keep pressing it. And then you'd keep stopping it while you're talking because, oops, I left one step out. Sorry. You would have to share that screen. So here's the screen. And I would just go here to my thing and I would say, share that screen. And so here's the screen and I would say, yes, share it like that. Okay, now the screen is going to appear here. It's right here. Okay, and if you wanted, you could just do two screens side by side. I hope I'm not making this seem way more complicated than it is, but let's say you didn't want this artwork over here. Of course you wouldn't. And say you didn't want this. Remove. So then you would have two screens up and you would want them side by side like that. If you wanted, this would be you talking, this would be the video that you're showing, and then with your mouse you would keep moving it or whatever, saying what you had to say, and then hit play. And then, or you can even make yourself smaller if you want, like you can make the video the whole page, like so. You make the video the whole page and then there you are, but you see it keeps moving. And every time you want to clear your throat or whatever you want to do, you have the freedom to just hit this little mic button and then you'll see I'm still talking, but you see how that got muted. And then you can unmute with the M key or with the mouse. It's so easy. And if I wanted to go live right now, I would just go there and go live. And then it would go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I'd be live. That's all you have to do on this screen. And then on the other thing, when you go to YouTube, if you have a YouTube account, I don't know, you just go up to your YouTube account like here, and you would just go here, and you would go here to settings and YouTube Studio. There's something, it would tell you when you create that Restream account, it'll tell you where you have to go here to enable it. And I think you have to wait 24 hours, and then that's it, you're done.